I ended up getting a MacBook Air with a broken screen. We opted to replace the whole upper bezel LCD. First thing we got to do is remove the pentalobe screws on the bottom of the case, and then lift the case up, remove that gently. After that, we want to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Here's the battery, you can just pull back on that little tab. Once the battery is disconnected, we move forward. We want to lift up the little lock hinge there off the LVDS connector. Once that lock hinge is out of the way, you can grab it and then just pull back, rock it back and forth a little bit. You don't want to lift up, you want to lift back. Now we need to remove the actual case fan that cools the CPU while you're using it, and also the GPU. There's a couple cables that run across this channel on the back side. That cable there is for your Wi-Fi. After you got the fan out, just come over here, take those screws, 6 screws that are mounted to the monitor itself. Here I noticed that during manufacturing, the Wi-Fi cable was pinched in the housing right here in that little spot where that divot is. As you can see, I kind of paused the video for you. There's that little channel. When you replace your monitor, you want to make sure that you route that wire back through that channel, not creating any kind of pinch points. As you see, I've already replaced the new monitor, got the Wi-Fi wires in, running through the channel, through the little rubber grommet, and then you'll secure it back with your screws. The reason why we have to move the fan is there's that other cable for the eyesight that we have to plug into the logic board. So you have to remove that fan because the wire is routed underneath that fan. As you can see, the monitor's already been replaced. I'm booting up next to the home screen, new user account. My customer can go in and create a new user. Once that's done, this is what it looks like, nice and cleaned up. Beautiful, and she's good to go. Thanks for watching.